Most people avoid small talk, but today you will learn simple lines that make real connections. By the end of this lesson, you will feel more confident starting a short chat with anyone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Speak Easy English. Today we will talk about making small talk.
I am glad to be here, Emma. Small talk is simple, but very useful.
Small talk means short, casual conversation about easy topics, a short word for beginners.
I remember my first trip abroad. I avoided small talk, and I missed chances to meet people.
Promise, stay with us and you will get ready-made phrases to use today.
Good, I'm ready. Let us begin with the simplest opener.
Start with the weather, a universal, safe opener that almost always works.
Today it is sunny and warm. That is a great example to begin.
Practice line. Say, hello, nice weather today.
Hello, nice weather today.
Keep it short and smile. The tone matters more than perfect grammar.
If someone smiles back, you can ask a quick follow-up question.
Follow-up phrase. Say, do you like this weather?
Do you like this weather?
The word follow means to ask a next question after the first line. Short definition for clarity.
I often ask about weather when I wait in line. It helps the time pass.
Another simple opener is about the place. Use, this is a nice cafe.
This is a nice cafe.
Or try, I love this song, for a shared moment in a cafe or on a bus.
I love this song.
Practice line. Say, where are you from?
Where are you from?
Use that when you want to learn a little more about the person.
I asked where are you from on a train once, and we spoke for 20 minutes.
Keep the pace calm. Pause after a phrase to listen to the answer.
Pausing shows interest and gives the other person space to speak.
Practice line. Say, what do you do?
What do you do?
That means, what is your job? A short, useful phrase for introductions.
I once asked, what do you do at a meetup, and found a new friend who likes books.
Use I work as or I work at to answer the same question. Simple structures.
I work as a teacher.
I work at a cafe.
Those answer patterns are short and clear for new listeners.
When someone asks about your job, give one small detail, not a long speech.
I designed websites. I focus on simple pages. That is enough information.
If you travel, ask about the city. Say, is this your first time here?
Is this your first time here?
First time means the first visit, a short definition for clarity.
I asked that in a museum, and we shared tips about local food.
A safe small talk topic is food. Ask, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
That phrase is perfect in restaurants, markets, or food stalls.
I asked, what do you recommend at a market? And I found a great local dessert.
Practice line. Say, do you come here often?
Do you come here often?
That phrase is common for cafes, gyms, or local shops.
I used do you come here often and met a neighbor who became a running partner.
Use simple compliments. Say, I like your jacket, or I like your hat.
I like your jacket.
Compliments open a friendly vibe, but keep them brief and sincere.
One time I complimented a stranger's shoes and we laughed about style choices.
If the person seems busy or in a hurry, say nice to meet you and keep it short.
Nice to meet you.
That is a polite closer and keeps you safe in public spaces.
Safety tip. Do not follow someone or ask for private details. Keep the chat public and polite.
Public means open space with other people. Short safety definition for learners.
I once kept a chat short when someone looks distracted, and we both felt comfortable.
Add a personal detail to your introduction. Say, I like coffee, or I like books.
I like coffee.
I like books.
When you share a hobby, people can find common ground quickly.
Practice line. Say, my favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pizza.
Favorite means the thing you like most. One short definition for clarity.
I said, my favorite food is sushi on a trip, and a friend took me to a great place.
Use small stories. A one-sentence anecdote makes you memorable without pressure.
I remember telling a short story about a rainy day, and the listener smiled and shared a similar memory.
Keep the grammar simple. Use present simple for routine sentences. I work, I like, I live.
Present simple is the basic tense for facts or habits. Short line explanation.
Practice line, say, I live in Seattle.
I live in Seattle.
If you are a student, say, I study at university or I study English.
I study English. I study at a small college. I met friends in a language club there.
When the other person uses a word you don't know, ask, can you explain that word?
Can you explain that word?
That phrase helps learning and keeps the chat friendly and curious.
I used can you explain that word with a tourist, and they taught me a local expression.
Small talk can include opinions. Say, I love this city, or I prefer quiet mornings.
I love this city. I prefer quiet mornings. Sharing a preference is safe and shows personality.
Use soft questions to invite an answer. Say, do you prefer tea or coffee?
Do you prefer tea or coffee? That is a simple choice question with a quick answer, good for busy places.
I asked that on a plane, and we laughed about our different tastes.
If someone asks you a question, answer with one quick sentence and then ask back.
For example, I like coffee. How about you?
That keeps the conversation balanced and not one-sided. I practice that in cafes. I answer, and then I ask the next small question.
Practice line, say, how long have you lived here?
How long have you lived here?
That asks about time, a short and natural topic for neighbors or coworkers.
I asked that to a new colleague, and we compared places we have lived.
Keep your tone warm and curious, not invasive, and smile if you feel comfortable.
A smile makes a short chat feel friendly and natural, even across language differences.
When you meet someone online in a group, say, hello, I am Emma, and add one line about you.
Hello, I am Jack. I teach English online.
That works well for virtual meetings and keeps things clear and short.
I once met a study partner in a forum after a short chat, and we practiced weekly.
Use phrases for disagreement gently. Say, I see your point, but I think.
I see your point, but I think.
That keeps respect and allows a calm opinion without conflict.
I used that in a group discussion, and the conversation stayed friendly.
If the other person is older or in a formal setting, use Mr. or Ms. to show politeness.
Mr. or Ms., and the last name shows respect in many settings.
Simple cultural tip. You can ask, do you prefer first names or titles?
Do you prefer first names or titles?
That question avoids mistakes and shows care for the other person.
I once asked that, and the other person smiled and said, use my first name.
Include short practice lines through the dialogue, but keep them natural and not repetitive.
Yes, practice helps build confidence before real conversations.
Practice line, say, hello, how are you today?
Hello, how are you today?
Practice line, say, I'm good, thank you. And you?
I am good, thank you. And you?
Practice line, say, what brings you here today?
What brings you here today?
Practice line, say, do you have any hobbies?
Do you have any hobbies?
Practice line, say, I like to walk in the park.
I like to walk in the park.
That series of short phrases will help learners start and keep short conversations.
Now, a quick tip about listening. Nod and repeat a word or two to show you listen.
Repeat back a small phrase like, you like coffee, right? To show understanding.
You like coffee, right?
That technique is simple and friendly and gives time to think of a new question.
I do that when I feel nervous and the chat continues easily.
Avoid long, personal questions in the first minutes. Keep it light and public.
Do not ask about money, exact address, or other private details at the start.
Safety reminder. Meet in public places and share minimal private information until trust grows.
I once changed a meeting place to a public cafe for safety, and it felt wise.
When you end the chat, use a polite closer like, "It was nice talking with you."
It was nice talking with you.
Or say, "See you around if you expect to meet again."
See you around.
Practice line. Say, "It was nice talking with you."
It was nice talking with you.
Place one gentle invitation to connect if you feel comfortable. Say, "Let us meet again for coffee."
Let us meet again for coffee.
That is a friendly way to move from small talk to a real meeting.
I invited a neighbor for coffee after a short chat, and we became friends.
Now, a short review. Use weather, place, job, hobbies, and short questions to guide a chat.
Those topics are safe and easy to practice in daily life.
Quick reminder, use short sentences, pause to listen, and ask one follow-up question.
That pattern keeps conversations natural and respectful.
Emma here. If you found these lines helpful, please like and subscribe for more practical lessons.
I agree. Please like and subscribe. It helps our channel and supports more lessons.
Thank you, Jack. That helps us make more content for learners like you.
I will check comments and reply when I can. Community feedback is very useful.
Near the end, tell us one short example of a simple opener you use. Post it in the comments.
What is your favorite small talk line? Tell us in the comments so we can learn together.
Final practice set. Say them slowly and with a smile. My name is Emma.
My name is Jack.
I am from Boston.
I am from Seattle.
I like coffee.
I like books.
It was nice talking with you.
It was nice talking with you.
Great work, everyone. Practice these short lines every day and try them in one new place this week.
Practice and small steps make big differences over time. Keep going.
Goodbye, everyone. Keep practicing and be kind to yourself as you learn.
Goodbye. See you next time.